Hello all and welcome to today's video, where I'll be demonstrating the installation of Olixar's glass screen protector on the OnePlus 9 Pro. The process will take no more than a couple of minutes to complete. Once I've applied the protector, I will also give an honest review of its functionality and its overall look. Make sure that there isn't already a screen protector attached, as new handsets usually come with one pre-installed. So before we start, I would suggest turning off the handset, just so that your display doesn't keep activating during the installation. Also, if necessary, delete any registered fingerprints. You'll then reapply them once the glass has been fitted. This is just so that the device is able to correctly read your fingerprint when the glass has been attached. Within the box, you'll receive all of the tools that are needed to fit the protector. These consist of a microfiber cloth, dust removal sticker, guide stickers, wet wipe, and the protector itself. The first step of this process is to ensure that the display of your handset is dust and dirt free. In order to do this, take the wet wipe and give the screen a wipe over. Now use the microfiber cloth to make sure that the display is completely dry from the wet wipe. Once it is dry, dab the dust removal sticker across the screen. This is to lift off any dust. Your display should now be immaculate. If so, let's go ahead and apply the glass. Place a guide sticker at both the top and the bottom of the protector and remove the plastic from off the adhesive side of the glass. Now carefully lower the glass onto your display. Run the microfiber cloth along the adhesive edges to secure the attachment of the glass. And there we are. The display of this handset is now protected by Olixar's tempered glass screen protector. The touch response is unaffected post-application, allowing for me to scroll through the contents of the phone with ease, which is definitely beneficial considering the OnePlus 9 Pro's smartphone gaming capabilities. The glass does elevate slightly from off the handset's display, which is to be expected from a glass protector. However, this does not interfere with the possibility of attaching a case to the phone, meaning for you to explore some of the best cases that are available to this handset to provide it with 360 protection. Fingerprint recognition is just as accessible as before, therefore you are still able to protect your device using this futuristic and secure way. Overall, this is a robust and durable way to safeguard the screen of your handset. It will be able to defend against the regular contact that your device receives daily. If you would like this form of screen protection for your OnePlus 9 or 9 Pro, check out the link in the description and comments below. If you would like to see more content regarding the latest tech and mobile accessories, please hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.